Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna start with sum number 9, the chapter of 15.1 area and perimeter. The first chapter is triangle and quadrilaterals, but the first chapter is specially on the rectangle and the square. So now the sum number 9 is the length, breadth, and height of a hall are 4 meter, 6 meter, and 4 meter. There are 3 doors and 4 windows in the room. The measurement of each door is 1.5 meter into 1 meter. It means length is 1.5 and breadth is 1 meter, and each window is 1.2 meter and into 1 meter. It means the length of the window is 1.2 meter and the breadth is 1 meter. How much it will cost for covering 4 walls by colored paper at the rate of rupees 70 per meter square or square meter? So now length equal to 4 meter, breadth equal to 6 meter, and height equal to 4 meter. First of all, we have to find the area of the 4 walls. So area of the 4 walls, this is also a formation. So the formula is area of the 4 walls equal to 2 into length plus breadth into height. So 2 into length is 4, breadth is 6, and the height is 4, and the answer should be in square meter or meter square. So 2 into 4 plus 6, 10 into 4. 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 10, 80. So the answer is 80 meter square. So area of one door is 1.5 into 1 meter square. The length is 1.5 meter into breadth is 1 meter. The measurement is given here. So therefore the area is 1.5 into 1 equal to 1.5 meter square. So there are 3 doors. So area of 3 door equal to 1.5 into 3 equal to 4.5 meter square. Now area of one window equal to, the given is 1.2 meter into 1 meter. So therefore 1.2 into 1 meter square. So the answer is 1.2 meter square. There are all total 4 window. So area of 4 window equal to 1.2 into 4, 4.8 meter square. So the required area for covering walls, the question is we have to cover the walls. So the door and window are not in the wall portion. So therefore from the total area of the walls we have to subtract the area of the 3 door and the area of the 4 window. So the required area for covering walls equal to 80 minus 4.5 plus 4.8 meter square. So 80 minus 9.3, it should be 70.7 meter square. So therefore total cost equal to, we know the cost of 4 walls by colored paper at rupees 70 per meter square. So 70.7 into 70. So it should be 0. 7 into 7, 49. 7 into 7, 49. So the answer is 4949 rupees. This is sum number 10. The area of 4 walls of a room is 42 square meter and the area of floor is 12 square meter. Let us write by calculating the height of room if the length of the room is 4 meter. So therefore, first of all, area of floor means it's given as 12 meter square. So area of the floor always is length into breadth. Equal to 12 meter square. Therefore, we can say that we know the length is 4 meter. So 4 meter into breadth equal to 12 meter square. So breadth equal to 12 by 4 equal to 3 meter. Now we know that area of 4 walls equal to 42 meter square. So therefore we can say that the area of 4 walls means 2 into length plus breadth into height equal to 42. So putting those values, 2 into, we know the value of breadth and we know the value of length. So therefore length is 4 meter plus breadth is 3 meter into height equal to 42. So therefore 4 plus 3 means 7. 7 into 2, 14 into height equal to 42. So therefore height equal to 42 by 14. From left hand side and right hand side, if it goes here, it should be divided because this is a multiplication form. So therefore 14 into 3 is 43. So height is 3 meter. Sujata will draw a rectangular picture on a paper with area 84 square centimeter. The difference of the length and the breadth of paper is 5 centimeter. Let us calculate the perimeter of paper of the Sujata. So area is 84 centimeter square. So area means length into breadth equal to 84 centimeter square. Now the difference is 5 centimeter. The difference of the length and breadth is 5 centimeter. So therefore we assume that length is greater than breadth. So according to the problem, length minus breadth equal to 5 centimeter. So here we assume that length is L and breadth is 5. So therefore we can say that L minus B equal to 5. If B goes from left hand side to right hand side, it should be positive. So L equal to B plus 5. Now we know that length into breadth equal to 84 centimeter square. So where length, we know the length can be written as L and breadth can be written as B. So therefore we can say that LB equal to 84. Now putting the value of L equal to B plus 5, it's the formation of the substitution formula, like substitution. So B plus 5 into B equal to 84. Opening those brackets, so B into B, B square, plus 5 into B, 5B equal to 84. So B square plus 5B minus 84 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this formation using middle term factor. Here middle term factor is 12 and 7. 12 into 7 equal to 84. So plus 5b means 12b minus 7b minus 84 equal to 0. From taking common from these two, we get b plus 12 and it should be minus 7. So we get that b plus 12 equal to 0. So b minus 7 and b plus 12 equal to 0. So therefore we can say that b minus 7 equal to 0 or b plus 12 equal to 0. So therefore we can say that b equal to, from left hand side to right hand side, if 7 is gone here, it should be 7 minus 7 to plus 7 and it should be b equal to minus 12. So now you see breadth cannot be negative because breadth is always in the positive formation. So it's not possible. It is not possible. So therefore we find that b equal to 7. So breadth equal to 7 centimeter. So length equal to, we know that length minus breadth equal to 5 centimeter and length equal to b plus 5. So therefore length equal to breadth plus 5. We know the breadth is 7 centimeter. So 7 plus 5, 12 centimeter. Therefore perimeter equal to, what's the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length means 12 and breadth means 7. So 2 into 7 plus 12, 19 equal to 38 meter. So therefore the perimeter is here is 38 meter. One more thing, this should be centimeter.